Every night a soft bell rang in the forest and animals asked, "Where is it coming from?" One brave little squirrel named Chicky decided to follow the sound, leading her to a clearing where she found an elephant named Balu hiding behind the trees. Chicky asked Balu, "Why are you hiding it?" The giant elephant replied softly, "It belonged to a friend. He's gone now, but this bell reminds me of him." The animals went silent, each reflecting on Balu's words, and soon began to listen to the sound with love, realizing that every sound has a story, sometimes of loss, sometimes of love. In that moment, the forest became a sanctuary of shared emotions, a reminder that memories could bring both sorrow and joy, uniting the animals in their understanding of loss and love. As the soft bells rang through the trees, the animals found solace in their shared experiences, transforming sadness into a heartfelt celebration of life and friendship. With the new day dawning, the animals realized that every sound has a story worth cherishing, and from that night forward, they wore their memories like a badge of honor.